Welcome to drgreengeek.com, being sustainable on a budget. Today, we'll explore easy, cost-effective, and realistic ways to make your lifestyle more eco-friendly without breaking the bank. So let's take a look, shall we? Living sustainably doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. In fact, it's a lot less scary than you may think. With a few simple changes to your daily routine, you can make a significant impact on the environment while saving money. Let's explore some budget-friendly ideas that anyone can incorporate into their everyday life. One of the easiest ways to be more sustainable is to reduce your plastic waste. Instead of buying bottled water, invest in a reusable water bottle. This one-time purchase can save you hundreds of dollars a year. Keep reusable bags handy for grocery shopping. This simple switch not only reduces plastic waste, but can also save you money on bag fees. Make your own cleaning products using simple household ingredients like vinegar and baking soda. This is not only cheaper, but also reduces you and your pet's exposure to harsh chemicals. Replace your old light bulbs with LED ones. While they may cost more upfront, LED bulbs use up to 75% less energy and last up to 25 times longer, saving you money in the long run. Ever heard of vampire energy? This is when electronic household items are left plugged in and when turned off, still consume costly electricity. Combat vampire energy by unplugging electronics when not in use. This simple habit can save you up to $100 per year on electricity bills. Open your curtains during the day to use natural light instead of electric lighting. In warmer months, open windows for natural ventilation rather than relying on air conditioning. Sustainable food practices. Start reducing meat consumption. I'm not saying to give up meat entirely. Meat is a valuable source of protein, but cutting back on some meats is a small step we can all try and take. Try incorporating more plant-based meals into your diet. This not only reduces your carbon footprint, but can also be easier on your wallet and a very healthy option for you as well. Try growing your own herbs. Start a small herb garden in your kitchen window. This little project takes little to no time or space and can be done even in an apartment. Fresh herbs add flavor to your meals, and with some herbs, can even offer significant health benefits as well. This will also save you money on store-bought versions. Ever heard of a wall garden? This fun do-it-yourself project can benefit for not only an aesthetic look in your home or apartment, but a valuable money-saving opportunity on growing your own herbs and some vegetables as well. Start planning your meals. Meal planning can help reduce food waste and save money on groceries. Buy only what you need and use what you buy. And with the insane costs of groceries these days, consider buying store brands. Most stores and store brands take the environment into consideration and use minimal, eco-friendly packaging for their products. Cutting down on wasteful packaging is yet another easy step you can help with as well. Look for products with the Recycle Reuse emblem on their packaging. Water conservation. Hearing that annoying drip drip in the kitchen or bathroom sink? Then it's time to fix that leaky faucet. Not only for peace of mind's sake, but for the environment as well. A simple fix for a leaky faucet can save gallons of water daily. This not only conserves water, but also reduces your water bill. Also, try and take shorter showers. Now I know this one is a lot easier said than done for some. Let's face it, nothing like a long hot shower to relax and forget your stresses of the day. But just cutting back by a few minutes can make a major difference. By doing this, you're helping with sustainability and didn't even realize it. This can significantly cut down on water usage and your water heating costs. In case you are wondering, certain places even sell sustainable shower heads. These attach easily over your existing shower heads and help you regulate water flow. Sustainable fashion, shop secondhand. Visit thrift stores or online secondhand marketplaces for clothing. You can find great deals while reducing demand for new clothing production, while cutting back on the costly impact on the environment by just throwing away unwanted clothes. Repair and upcycle. Learn basic sewing skills to repair clothes instead of replacing them. Here's a bonus. Consider being a teacher if you already know how to sew. Share your knowledge with others by setting up a community class or even an online sewing class. This can make you a few extra dollars as well and get involved with others and help spread the word on being eco-friendly as well in a friendly learning environment. Get creative and upcycle old clothes into new items. This alone will save on just tossing them out and creating vast messes in landfills. Let's be honest, clothes don't biodegrade over time. Green transportation, take a walk or bike. For short trips, consider walking or biking instead of driving. This not only reduces emissions, but also saves on fuel costs and improves your health. carpool or use public transit. Bring up the idea of all carpooling together. Set aside a weekly amount for fuel costs for each person. In the long run, you will all save money and can even catch up on all the office gossip if that's your thing. This can significantly reduce your carbon footprint and save on fuel and parking costs. Remember, sustainable living is a journey, not a destination. Start with small changes and gradually incorporate more as you go. Every effort counts, no matter how small. By adopting these simple, budget-friendly habits, you're not only helping the environment, but also saving money in the long run. It's a win-win situation for both your wallet and the planet. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own sustainable living hacks in the comments below. Together, we can create a more sustainable future without breaking the bank.